Hello my beautiful YouTubers, how are you doing today? Okay, we've got this coin now. I think I've made one of these earlier on, but you can only do so many different coins and you have to do another one the same. Republic of Guatemala, 2001. "29th December. You see it? No, that's not right. Anyway, let's bang a hole in it. I'll go with a 1/2 inch punch again. This is quite a big coin. If I get it to start, that is. Yeah, that's centered. Right, let's go over. Oops, daisy. I've got this stuff on there still from yesterday. Or was it today? Right, let's go over to Big Bird. My 1-ton hydraulic press. I want to thank my latest subscribers for subscribing. And I'd like to thank the people that have liked the videos for liking them. I love you to bits. If you haven't subscribed, there's a little button down there, little red button. Hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the like button, please. Or hit the thumbs down button. Either's good. Right. Oh la la. Cha cha cha. Chica bonita. Right. Let's show it some warmth. With Bernie. This just anneals the coin, makes it a bit softer for me to work it. If you're looking for a ring, handmade ring, look no further. I could be your man. Stand by your man. Who sang that? God knows. Not my sort of music, but there you go. If it ain't loud, I'm not really that bothered. Okay. Let's dry the baby off. And I think, yeah, we have to go with this side. Sunny side up on the ring. The bloody oil on my fingers. Right. Yeah, face down. It's just a 17-degree folding die. Nothing special. Let's go over to Big Red and I mean, this is called folding. I don't know why. Off centre a touch there, boy. Okay. That is good. Yeah. Right. Let's break out Sandy. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming. you got any comments, any ideas, anything you'd like me to make? Any suggestions, any coin rings you'd like me to make? You can send me your own coins if you want. Quite a few people are doing that nowadays. I make wedding bands, anything. Even some necklaces. Right, let's go over to my favourite tool of them all. My ring stretcher spike. You've got any problems with your ring? I can sort it out with this tool for you. I can make it bigger, but I can't make it smaller. I have to go down the bottom end of spike to make them smaller. The kitchen roll just keeps the detail on the inside. I'll go a couple of pumps just on 2-ply instead of 4. You just want the top of that coin to touch the top of the spike. There you go. It's pretty damn groovy, baby. Right. Let's show it some more love with Bernie, the fire starter. Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I do custom orders. Ouch. Ouch, that hurt. I love the smell of burning hair in the mornings. Oh, blimey. Whew. Hooey. Okay. There you go. So now we want to straighten these walls up a bit. Can I use any of this? Yes, I can. Oh, that hair smells a bit. Severe burning. No, not quite. That's a good start. These are just reduction dies. This is how I can make your ring smaller. Yeah, just, oh shit, I never took you over there, did I? Never mind, you've seen it 1,000 times before. I think we want to go a little bit back. Just a touch. Is there anything there? Yeah, just a bit. How's that looking? Is it looking straight? Yeah. Maybe a touch more. How's that looking? That's better. And again, there's no lip in the middle, which is makes a nice change. I don't have to get out Christy Burr. I get Kate Bush on it. Ouch. It's bloody hot for this thing. Pretty lucky I don't have a lot of feel in this hand. Okay. Get some polish on it. This is the best metal polish I can find in Finland. Looks like it's made in the UK though. Royal Britannia and all that stuff. Alright, clean the mandis. Let's take out Kate and put in Felton John. He's hiding. So did you dress up for the oh God, this is burning my bloody hand. Oh. Ouch. Oh shit. Yeah, did you dress up for Halloween? So what's the next sort of video I could do? I suppose it's going to be Christmas, isn't it? I've done a Halloween. What else is next? Halloween, Christmas maybe, New Year's Eve. Yeah, I do custom orders. Check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. You can ask me if I've got certain dates. Right, what have we got? That came out nice. That's why I use the kitchen roll. You got all the details still on the inside. It's clever stuff, isn't it? It's magic. Right, what size we got? It's the size, and you always measure from the reedy side of the coin because that's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 66. Nearly 66. I go for US size. This is a size 11 3/4. UK size UK size is X and 1/4, I believe. Yeah. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting the like button, please. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for hitting any button you'd like to hit. Please hit it, and I'll thank you. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Catch you tomorrow. Tubby, bye-bye.